Hello friends, good morning. This is Miniraj Kumar. Friends, I am here. Friends, today I am going to talk about very important skills in today's time. Many people call it is the language and friends, yes, but it is not just a language. Yes, friends, it is not a just language. Friends, if you want to qualify any interview and you need these skills, and if you want to qualify any type of competitive exams you need these skills. In this time and present time you want to get a better job, friends, you need these skills. And even if you want to be pilot, if you want to be air hostess, cabin crew, you need these skills. And if you want to start your business and you want to expand it your business at international level, you need these skills. Yes friends, it is very important. Friends, so I am talking about English language. Yes, I am talking about English language. Friends, it is not just language, friends, but it is very important today's time. You know, friends, many languages have put forth their interest to be labeled as a global language. But I would like to tell you that none of language has become a successful language. Yes, none of language has become a successful language, but only English has become a successful language. Friends, but friends, English is very important in today's time because friends, some people say it is very easy language. It is very easier language to learn any other languages. Friends, so because it is also not easy native speakers, it is also easy for non-native speakers. Friends, do you know who is called non-native speakers? Friends, non-native speakers called that English is not my mother tongue. Yes, English is not my mother tongue. I am called non-native speakers, but I am able to understand English language. Friends, yes, many people know this language already because many words of English language are being used in their language. Friends, they know this language already. And friends, so if I ask you, do you know English alphabet? Do you know ABCD? You will say yes sir. Why are you asking this? We know English alphabet, we know ABCD. Friends, English has only 26 letters. Yes, English has only 26 letters. These letters are used to make words, to make sentences. Yes, these words used to make words, to make sentences. And friends, many words of English language have been adopted by so many languages, and many words of English language have been borrowed from other languages. So friends, it is called a lingua franca. Yes, it is called lingua franca. Do you know the meaning of lingua franca? Do you know the meaning of lingua franca? Friends, lingua franca means a common language, like you want to go abroad, and friends, like you want to go China and you want to talk Chinese people, but they do not know your language, you don't know their language. Please tell me that how will you communicate with them? Please tell me how will you communicate with them, friends? But they know English language. If you know English language, you can communicate with them. So it is very important. And in this world, friends, in this world, all over the world and all over the India, friends, English is spoken around. Friends, I can guess and I can imagine around 86 countries English is spoken. and English is spoken in our school, and English is spoken in our college, and English is spoken in every walk of our life. Friends, today we cannot escape ourselves from English language. Yes, we cannot escape ourselves from English language. So English is very important. Friends, so English is very important. Some people say it is the international jobs and international business language. Friends, some people say, friends, because you want to be pilot and you want to be air hostess. Friends, there you have to work, you need English language, because you have to communicate with your passengers, you need English language. Friends, like many people can say, oh sir, we do not want to be air hostess, we do not want to be pilot, we want to be a businessman, we want to start our startup. Friends, okay, you want to be a businessman, you want to start your startup. Friends, but suppose you are a businessman and you want to expand your business at international level. Friends, you are a businessman and you have a meeting at international level. Friends, you want to attend that meeting. Friends, but if you know English language, you can attend that meeting easily. But if you do not know English language, how will you attend that meeting? Friends, there is more possibility that it could be done in English language, because that is an international meeting. So this is very important. Friends, so it is very important. Friends, I have realized that English as a global language, it has more benefit and more advantages than disadvantages. Yes, I have realized. And friends, but you already know that some people say it is the technology language of technology, it is the language of internet. Friends, if you want to use a better use of internet, you need English language. Yes, you need English language. You are, suppose you are a student, and friends, your teacher gives you a task that you have to prepare a file on one topic, and you come your house and you want to search your topic on internet. Yes, friends, but if you know English language, friends, you can search your topic very well. Yes, you can search your topic very well if you know, friends, if you know English language, because you already know that there are so many, there are so many websites are in English language, they are working in English language, and international language is also English. Friends, you can find good content related to your topics if you know English language. But friends, this is very important. So today's time, globalization, friends, digital system is in English language. Yes, digital system is also working in English language. So this is very important. And friends, but every coin has two sides. We had talked about one side of coin. Now friends, I want to talk about other side of coin. Friends, English as a global language would not be accepted. So many people who don't know this language and who want their language to be global language. Yes, who want their language to be global language. Yes friends, like we can talk about Chinese people. Yes, we can talk about Chinese people. Friends, you know, China did not know English. Yes, China did not know English. You know, friends, English teachers from India are teaching Chinese student. But you know, today China is overtaking India. China is capturing the market. Friends, China will not give you any chance. Friends, if you want to good career, you need English language. Yes, if you want to good career, you need English language. Like friends, Chinese people also want their language to be international language. Friends, you know, Esperanto is also another language. Friends, whose supporter want their language to be global language. They believe that it should be a global language because it is not based on any culture, and they say it is invented language. They say it is invented language. But friends, I have told you earlier that no one language has become a global language, only English has become a global language. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, I can imagine that in the future there are so many people will learn English language, and the demand of English language will not stop. Yes, I can imagine. Friends, you know, but there are so many students are listening me, and there are so many people are listening me, and you can say, oh sir, you are promoting English language and you are promoting, friends, you are promoting others countries language. But sir, you should not promote other countries language, and you should not promote English language. Friends, you can say, sir, you should promote your Hindi language and you should promote your mother tongue. Why are you not promoting your mother tongue? Why are you not promoting your Hindi language? Do you know, friends, our Hindi language and our mother tongue is not very useful in today's time. Yes, it is not very useful in today's time. Friends, in our professional life, we need English, and in our personal life, we need Hindi. But I am not saying that you should forget your mother tongue, you should forget your Hindi language. I am not saying, friends, you know, but you don't need to learn your mother tongue once more. Yes, you don't need to learn your mother tongue once more. Friends, you are excellent in your language, so don't need to learn your mother tongue. Friends, you know, the most important language in our life is our mother tongue. Yes, the most important language in our life is our mother tongue. So please don't forget your mother tongue, friends. But friends, you know, when I used to study in my school, in my college, it was a subject. My teacher used to teach English as a subject. Friends, that time English didn't have importance. But at this moment in 2026, English is the most important language. Yes, it is the most important. Friends, I will suggest you, if you are learning English language and you are using English language in your professional life, so please, in my humble request, please don't speak English at your house. Please don't speak English at your house, but outside the house with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak in English language. Friends, even if you make mistakes in English language, please don't worry. Friends, yes, please don't worry. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Please try to understand. Friends, please try to speak in English language. Friends, you know why we are not able to speak? Because we have no practiced. Can you begin the practice today? Yes, friends, friends, friends. So it is very important. Yes, friends, it is our problem. We never speak in English language. We always speak in our mother tongue. Yes, friends. Friends, if I ask you, do you want to learn English language? You will say, yes, sir. Why are you asking this? All of you, we want to learn English language. Friends, if I ask you, is my English all good? How am I speaking? You can say, oh sir, you are speaking well English and your English is excellent. Friends, if I ask you, do you want your English to be like mine? You can say, yes sir, I want my English to be like you. Friends, yes, you can say. Friends, you also can be your English to be like mine. It's not difficult. I am also just like you. Friends, everyone afraid of English language. Everyone is scared of English language. But I teach English language. Yes, I teach English language. But English is not my mother tongue. Yes, English is not my mother tongue. English also it's to me a strange language. Yes, English also it's to me a strange language. But friends, remember one thing, that who learned English with a lot of difficulties. School doesn't matter, Hindi medium or government school doesn't matter. What matters is motivation. Yes, what matters is motivation. Friends, we learn English language from YouTube channel. We learn vocabulary from YouTube channel. Friends, we learn grammatical structures from YouTube channel. But why we are not able to learn anything? Because we do not have any burning desire, we do not have intent, we do not have purpose. How can you learn anything? No, friends, no. You can't learn anything if you do not have any burning desire, if you do not have intent, if you do not have purpose. You can't. You are wasting your time. So this is very important. And friends, some of the students, they can say, oh sir, we can't learn English language because we are Hindi medium student. We can't learn English language. Friends, remember one thing. How can you say that you are Hindi medium student? How can you say? Do you know? Out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is English. How can you say that you are Hindi medium student? Friends, don't make excuse that you are Hindi medium student, because English is there in first class, English is there in 12th class plus 2, English is there in graduation. How can you say that you are Hindi medium student? No, friends, no, you can't make excuse. Friends, so don't make excuses. This is very important. Friends, I think that If you want to talk to world, and you can talk to world if you know English language. The entire world is yours if you know English language. But if you don't know English language, friends, you can't get success as more. Friends, if I ask you, do you want to be successful? You will say, oh sir, why are you asking this? All of us, we want maximum success. Friends, I know that there is nobody in this world, there is nobody in this class that who did not want to be successful. Yes, who don't want to be successful. But the real success will come when you change your mindset. Yes, the real success will come when you change your mindset. So this is very important. Yes, this is very important. Friends, yes, so it is very important. Friends, so I told you that what is the importance of English language in our personal life, and what is the importance of English language in our personal life, friends. And friends, you can't qualify any competition without knowing English language. This is very important. So friends, this is our first part of English language, but I will friends, I will bring a next part of English language. In that video, I will talk about that how can you learn English language step by step. So friends, if you find this video fruitfully, and you can appreciate me by like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thank you for accepting me, and thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for visiting my channel, friends. So thank you. Friends, so English is very important. Yes, English is very important. Thank you, friends.